Hello dear student, we are studying quantitative aptitude. Question is, the ratio between the present ages of A and B is 4:5. If the ratio between their ages 4 years hence become 14:17, then what is B age at present? Option A 30 year, B 28 year, C 34 year and D none of these. In the question given, the age ratio of A and B is 4:5. After 4 years, the ratio of age is 14:17. We have to find the age of B at present. This question is asked in RRB 2011 and it belongs to age problems. So we have to find the age of B at present. In the question given, the age ratio of A and B is 4:5. So let the age of A and B is 4x and 5x respectively. Let the age of A and B is 4x and 5x respectively. Now the equation will be A by B equals to 4x by 5x. A by B equals to 4x by 5x. Now according to question, after 4 years its age ratio will be 14/17. So according to question, its age ratio will be 14/17 after 4 years. Therefore, A plus 4 by B plus 4 is equals to 14:17. Here put the value of A and B. So 4x by 4 plus 5x by 4 is equals to 14:17. Or now we solve the equation. 4x plus 4 into 17 equals to 5x plus 4 into 14. After that you can also solve the equation, or 68x plus 68 is equals to 70x plus 56. After that equation will be x term minus, so 70x minus 60x is equal to 68 minus 56, or 2x is equal to 12. Therefore x equals to 12 by 2 is equals to 6. So we found the value of x is 6. x is equal to 6. Now we put the value of 6 in B's age. So age of B equals to 5x. We let the value of B is 5x. So age of B equals to 5x is equals to 5 into 6. Put the value of x. So age of B equal to 5 into 6 is equals to 30. So B's age equals to 30 year. We found the value of B's age. So B's age equals to 30 year, which is asked in question. So answer option A, 30 year. The ratio between the present age of A and B is 4:5. If the ratio between their age 4 years hence become 14:17. So what is B's age at present? Answer option A, 30 year. So today's topic is over. For more update, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.